Living in today's globalized world makes us think, rethink, and revise our sense of identity and place within society. We are influenced by new trends, be they cultural, technological, or social. To be comfortable living, learning, and working in today's world, it is important that we have a sense of our own identity. So, let's get started. From a very young age, we start to become aware of the fact that the perspective, views, feelings, emotions of other people are not necessarily the same as our own. After the age of 6, we can actually start to understand this process and realize that people may think differently because they are offered different information, different schooling, etc. By the time we are teenagers, most of us are culturally aware, meaning that we are aware of how people give meaning to certain experiences, habits, roles, rules, etc. From this time onwards, we begin to define and shape our identity and cultural identity and recognize the cultural identities of others based on nationality, religion, social class, locality, gender, for example. So, why is this important for us as young people today? Because research tells us that having a positive sense of identity and culture is central to our well-being. It helps us to build and maintain relationships with family members, other adults, friends, and members of our community. Our sense of who we are is shaped by the characteristics, behaviour, and understanding of ourselves, our family, friends, and peers, and others. Positive messages about our families, backgrounds, cultures, beliefs, and language help us to take pride in who we are. It gives us confidence to voice our views and opinions, to make choices, and to help shape our learning. By embracing difference, by exploring our own attitudes in relation to equality and diversity, and by realizing that our attitudes and values influence our actions and thoughts, we can build a strong sense of identity and belonging. As demands in society constantly change, we too need to renew and update our knowledge, skills, and attitudes in a continuous process of learning, and it is for this reason that cultural awareness and expression is often referred to as a cradle-to-grave competence.